Hello, in this exercise I am going to design this model. So the dimensions of the model is given and we are going to design it in Fusion 360. So just please note the dimensions and the different constraints on that sketch, and dimensions are inches. So first I am going to go to document setting, change the units to inches, okay, and then I am going to select plane. Front plane is my sketching plane. I am going to draw a line. So I simply draw a line like that and okay, and deselect the line command. So as you know, we just draw a line here. I am going to talk about option in the sketch palette. It's called it construction. You can make any sketch feature or line, circle, anything to make it a construction sketch. For this line I want to make it construction, and you as you see, no, this line is turned into dotted line. So that means the construction line means this line is not involving in this sketch. This is just for our reference. We can draw a circle and we can make it a construction. So as you see, this circle is turned into dotted line. So that means this is just a reference circle. It's not really involving in the sketch. So I draw this construction line, drag it here, then go to the rectangular and draw two rectangular like that. And I want to make these rectangular, add the relation between them equal. This is equal with this and this is equal with this, and then deselect the equal command, let move it here. So as you see, this rectangular is here and this rectangular here. Now I am going to talk about another constraint which is called it the collinear constraint or relation. So you can add the collinear relation between two lines. And what does this do? The collinear relation, it will make these lines on a same line or having the lines on a line which are sharing the common points. So what is the meaning of that? Like this is a line, and after adding a collinear relation like this is here and this is here, just delete this line. So these two lines are on that line. So what does that collinear do? It will make two lines on the same line, like they are facing each other. So let's see the magic of this constraint. I hope you will understand that. So I am going to select the collinear. I want this line and this line collinear. So as you see, these both are sharing on the common points on a line. If we draw a line like starting from here, these both will be on the same line that, and they are also facing each other. So I am just going to delete it. After adding the collinear, I am going to again add a collinear relation between this line and this reference line. And as you see, these both vertical line will be on that reference line. And now I am going to add the dimensions, sketch dimension. So this, dimension, and this dimension is 1 and this dimension is 2.5. okay, and then I am going to go to arc and select a 3-point arc. I am going to select this point and this point and draw a line here, and then I am going to add a circle like here. So then I am going to add a constraint which is concentric for this circle and this arc to have the common center point. And then again just zoom it or zoom out for a physical position. I am going to add lines like that. and then add a perpendicular constraint between this line and this line, between this line and this line, and between this line and this line, and then deselect this, and I am going to just drag it here. Now I am going to add the sketch dimension from here to here. It's also 1, and this diameter is 1.5, and this radius for that arc is 1.5. Now I am going to add angle between this and here. It's 135, and then this is like that. It's 1. Make sure you place that dimension like that, not like that. We needed it like that. And again I am going to add an equal relation or constraint between this line and this line. It's done. And now I am going to add the sketch dimensions for this line. It's 3.475. So now our sketch is done. This is a simple sketch, and you just needed to practice it. Finish the sketch, and as you see, this sketch option is appear here, and sketch folder is appear on the browser. So this sketch is done.